50 years ago, in the bustling industrial town of Asansol, a vision was born. A vision to foster professional excellence, to empower future leaders, and to create a legacy in the field of cost and management accounting. Welcome to the story of ICMA Asansol chapter, a journey of growth, resilience, and excellence. In the year 1974-75, the Asansol chapter of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India took its first step. A small but determined group of professionals came together with a shared dream to establish a hub for cost and management accounting in the heart of Bengal's industrial belt. With limited resources but boundless determination, the chapter began its operation, paving the way for what would become a center of learning and innovation. As industries like Eastern Coalfields Limited and SAIL ISP flourished in the region, so did our chapter. Over the decades, ICMA Asansol chapter expanded its reach, supporting aspiring students and seasoned professionals alike. From organizing training programs and seminars to hosting conferences and knowledge-sharing sessions, the chapter became a beacon for continuous professional development. Membership grew, partnerships were forged, and the chapter became synonymous with excellence in the field of cost and management accounting. Every journey has its challenges, and ICMA Asansol chapter was no exception. Through economic shifts, technological revolutions, and changing industry demands, the chapter adapted, innovated, and persevered. The commitment to upholding the values of the institute and serving its member remained unwavering, guiding the chapter through every obstacle. Over the past 5 decades, Asansol chapter has achieved numerous milestones, from being recognized as one of the leading chapters of the institute to producing accomplished professionals who have made a mark globally. The journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. The chapter has received Best Chapter awards on several occasions. Today, ICMA Asansol chapter stands as a testament to the power of dedication and vision. It is not just a chapter, it is a family of professionals, educators, and students working together to shape the future of cost and management accounting. At present, the chapter has over 150 members and around 500 students who are the backbone of our institute. Our students are placed all across the globe and are bringing laurels to the profession. As we celebrate these 50 glorious years, we look ahead with hope and ambition, ready to embrace the opportunities and challenges for tomorrow. To all who have been a part of this journey, my members, students, partners, as well as well-wishers, a big thank you to all of you. Your support has been the cornerstone of our success. Here is to the golden past, the vibrant present, and a future filled with promise. Asansol chapter of ICMAI celebrating its 50 years of excellence and counting.